Hey, what's up guys, IGBMO here. Welcome back to another video. Today we have a lot of crazy leaks regarding the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 and a ton of other Apple leaks. Every detail regarding the iPhone 12 lineup has been leaked by John Prosser. We now know the actual naming, price and storage options. He says that the smallest version, the 5.4-inch model, will be named the iPhone 12 and to feature a Super Retina organic LED display made by BOE with 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of base storage, and with an aluminum body, and to be priced at $649. Moving up, we have the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Max. It will feature a Super Retina organic LED display made by BOE with 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of base storage, and an aluminum body, which will be priced at $749. Moving up to the Pro models, we have the first coming with the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro, which will also feature a 6.1-inch display, Super Retina organic LED display made by Samsung, a 10-bit color depth, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of base storage with a stainless steel body, and to be priced at $999. Next up is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which will be 6.7-inch display with a Super Retina organic LED display made by Samsung, and it will feature a 10-bit color depth and a 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of base storage with a stainless steel body, and to be priced at $1099. John Prosser also speculates that all versions are to be 5G capable, and we are to see an increased brightness of about 1000 nits. Weinbach also said earlier that we'll be seeing 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate, but we only see it on the Pro models, so the non-Pro models will be seeking to borrow motion at 60Hz. He also says that the non-Pro models will be having a dual lens camera, and the Pro models will be jumping to a triple camera setup with a LiDAR sensor, just like we saw on the iPad Pro 2020. Young Prosser also says the notch will be getting smaller on the whole iPhone 12 lineup, and no sensors in the notch has been shrunk, but Face ID is going to be improving in many more ways, and more components have been improved, and Face ID will be getting a wider field of view. Also, 9to5 Mac says that we will never see a USB-C port on our iPhone because in 2021 Apple will be heading towards a portless future with the iPhone. John Prosser also confirms that Apple is adding a new navy blue color to the iPhone lineup to replace the midnight green. Max Weinbach also stated earlier that Apple is moving towards a new design language with the iPhone 12 lineup. He says it will be in a boxy form, just like the iPad Pro 2020 and the first ever iPhone SE, and he said that it improves durability. Max Weinbach also confirms that there will be an increase in battery. It is expected to be 4400 mAh battery. 95 Max also says the entire iPhone 12 lineup is to ship with a 18-watt fast charger in the box. Also, WWDC is coming up June 22nd, a few days from now. I'm so excited about that. So that's alright guys, that's all the iPhone 12 leaks for now. iPhone 13. Twitter leaker Fudge shared this image with us on Twitter. Says that this is how the camera layout will look like for the iPhone 13. He also says that iPhone 13 will be the huge leap in megapixels and shares actual megapixel counts and more camera details of the iPhone 13. He also goes to say that the wide angle lens on the iPhone 13 will be a 64 megapixel lens with 1x optical zoom and 6x digital zoom, and the telephoto lens will be 40 megapixels with 3 to 5x optical zoom and 15 to 20x digital zoom. The ultra wide lens will be a 40 megapixel lens and a LiDAR 4.0 sensor, and there will be a new fourth camera. He says it will be called a 64MP anamorphic video dedicated lens. He also says iPhone 13 is rumored to have all screen and no notch. And he also says Apple is working on how to bring Touch ID back to the iPhone to be in the screen, so there will be an in-screen fingerprint on the iPhone 13. A new Twitter leaker says iPhone 13 may include a periscope zoom lens. He also goes to say Apple will include a mini LED display in the iPhone 13 alongside the Apple Watch, MacBook Pro, and iPad Pro. He also says iPhone 13 will bring reverse wireless charging, which you use to power your AirPod, your Apple Watch, or your other iPhones, and it will be called Power Drop. He also goes to say that there will be two ways which you use to charge your phone. Number one is air power, then the second option being the smart connector, which will be on the side of your iPhone. He says that this is to prove that Apple is moving towards a portless future in the iPhone for the iPhone 13, and it is set to improve water resistance. iPhone Twitter leaker Fudge also says Apple may ditch the whole naming system for their iPhones and just be calling it the iPhone 13, the iPhone Pro, and it will start with the iPhone 13. Alright guys, that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.